Here I'm asked to complete the following division problems expressing any remainder as a fraction. So a couple different methods we can use to divide. I'm going to go ahead and I'll do long division on the first one, and then I'll do the box method on the second, just to show multiple methods. You can really choose whatever ones you want for the most part. In this one here, I'm going to set this up as long division. It looks like I don't skip any terms, right? It goes x cubed, squared, power of 1, power of 0. So I don't have to have any placeholders or anything. I'm now got it all set up, and I'm just going to start dividing. So the number that I need to multiply by x to get to x cubed is x squared. I multiply x squared by x minus 3, and then I subtract. So x cubed minus x cubed is 0. X squared minus a negative 3x squared is 4x squared. And I bring down the rest of my equation. Next thing, x times 4x is 4x squared. I also have to multiply it by negative 3, so that becomes negative 12x. And then I subtract this whole thing. So 4x squared minus 4x squared is 0. Negative 14x minus a negative 12, it becomes addition, so it is negative 2x. And I bring down this plus 2. And the last time here is I need to multiply x times negative 2 to get negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. Subtract, I get 0. 2 minus 6 is negative 4. And this is my remainder. So my final answer here, taking all the stuff from above, is x squared plus 4x minus 2 minus 4 over x minus 3, because I'm leaving my remainder as a fraction. All right, second one here, to divide, I'm going to go ahead and use the box method here. So I probably didn't make this big enough. 2x minus 3. This first term goes in the first box, 6x to the power of 4. I figure out what goes on the top here, which has to be 3x cubed. Now I multiply to get negative 9x cubed. And then negative 9x cubed plus something has to be positive 5x cubed. So that would be 14x cubed, which I now figure out what multiplies, which has to be 7x squared. Multiply 7x squared times negative 3 to get negative 21x squared. Negative 21 plus something has to equal negative 11x squared, which would be, 10? X squared. Then 2x times 5x gives me 10x squared. 5x times negative 3 is negative 15x. Then the number that adds to negative 15x to get to x would be 16x. And then that means the top number here has to be 8. This becomes negative 24. And it looks like my remainder here is 0 because I end with negative 24 here. So no remainder on this one. My final answer for this is just 3x cubed plus 7x squared plus 5x plus 8.